how to upload long stories in Facebook more than 30 seconds. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can upload long stories in Facebook which is more than 30 seconds. So without any further delay, let's get started. For that, rather than opening up Facebook and uploading a story, alternatively, you can open up Messenger in your device and make sure that you're logged in with your same account. After that, open up any one of the chat that you want in your Messenger or that you're comfortable with. After that, navigate to the bottom right corner, tap on the image like icon. Now, from your device, you have to select the video which is more than 30 seconds. Tap on edit button at the bottom right corner. After you do that, now navigate to the bottom right corner and there you will find an option as add to story. Tap on add to story and with that the video will be added to your Facebook story. That's it. That's how you can upload the long stories on Facebook which is more than 30 seconds. That's it and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.